Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about a crucial part of your child's education, the Parent-Teacher Conference. Whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned pro, we've got 7 tips to help you make the most out of these meetings. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Preparation is key. Review your child's recent work and teacher communications. Make a list of specific questions or concerns you have about their academic performance, behavior, and social interactions. When you're at the conference, focus on what the teacher is saying. Listen carefully to their observations and feedback. Make sure to let them finish their thoughts before jumping in with your questions. Tip number 3 is all about sharing. Provide the teacher with any relevant information about your child's learning style, interests, or challenges they may face outside of school. Collaboration is key in finding the best strategies for your child. Approach the conference with a positive attitude. Be open to constructive criticism, and remember that all feedback is aimed at helping your child succeed and grow. Work with the teacher to set clear, achievable goals for your child. Discuss how you can support these goals at home. Agree on follow-up actions and timelines to review progress. This helps keep everyone accountable. Make sure to take notes during the conference. Document key points, agreed actions, and follow-up steps. This helps you keep track of what's been discussed and the next steps to take. Finally, be punctual and respectful of the teacher's time. Arrive on time and aim to discuss the most important points within the allocated time. This shows respect and helps ensure a smooth meeting. And there you have it, 7 tips to help you have a successful parent-teacher conference. Remember, these meetings are a fantastic opportunity to collaborate with your child's teachers and support their educational journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.